As you mentioned that you completed only 2 months and you started speaking, you connected with many people, as you mentioned that five, this is your five conversation. So,
Yeah.
how did you do that? And how did you learn within 2 months? So, for the speaking, what are the things you did, or how much hard work you put to speak, or in order to improve your communication? All right. Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I am fine. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking me.
I am sorry,
And
Sweta. I did not see your message on 4:20 p.m. On that time, I was in resting time. That's why I didn't have a reply to you that message.
mhm. Yeah, now I can see you. All right.
Yeah,
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sweta's English Lifestyle. I'm so
yeah,
excited to have a conversation with you.
yeah. I also glad to pleasure to conversation with you. Okay, let me introduce yourself. My name is Pradeep Kumar. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am now staying at Visakhapatnam. From Visakhapatnam, my hometown will around 25 kilometers. My
Okay.
qualification is biotechnology,
Okay.
and recently I was launched a YouTube channel. Because of I want to develop my communication skills and English fluency, and I want to motivate those who speaking in English, those new aspirants or beginners,
Mm-hmm.
and I want to upload some solo contents in my YouTube channel. It takes some time, but I want to update some videos about because of once upon a time I was an aspirant of the state competitive exams. So that's why I put some solo contents, contemporary issues or history, political. That's only small introduction about.
Mm-hmm. And currently, what type of job are you doing?
I am doing a healthcare IT enabled services and IT placement side. That's on. Only I am related for IT enabled services only.
Okay. I don't know about that. What do you need to
Yeah,
do? I don't.
yeah, that's only IT enabled services means we do not use we using only IT applications only. We do not create IT applications.
Okay. You create application, you are saying.
No, we do not create applications. We only consuming the applications only.
Okay.
Those who creators, they are developers. They are developers. That it must be like a systems process software engineers. So they are all. I'm not a
Mm-hmm.
software employee. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's
Yeah.
only a slight difference between them.
Okay. So, all right. That's great to know about you. And you are working currently for English language, right?
Yeah,
How long have you been learning English?
yeah. I have been starting from 1.5 2 months for listening and speaking and writing, and I was prepared some notes to develop my vocabulary. That's all.
Okay. So within 2 months, you are doing everything, writing, then listening, then also you said vocabularies and all. You are doing all these things, reading also,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And then you're speaking also. You connect it with,
Sir, 1 second, please give me time. 1 second.
no
Okay,
worries.
sorry.
Yeah, it is fine. Just only the problem is the limited access that we have. So I don't know how much we can complete.
Okay, what's your hobbies?
My hobbies. My hobbies
Yeah.
are singing, traveling, and exploring my life and connecting with nature. That's my
Okay.
hobby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are
And
you
what
interested
about
in
you?
reading? Are you interested in reading books?
Okay, I am interested in reading books. Currently, I'm studying and I haven't completed yet my higher studies. I completed my graduation at that point. I was studying my subject, honor subject, and now I'm doing master's. So that is also I need to study. So properly, I am not into reading. basically kind of self-help books and many books that people read. And I feel that I am interested, but I haven't started yet much properly or completely. But yeah, sometimes I read self-help books which I have, and sometimes I read on online platform as well, and I study my subject. So that's how I'm doing of reading. Most of the time I speak with people. Most of the time I connect with people and make videos on YouTube and teach people online and offline. That is what I do.
Some videos were watched about your videos. I was watching some videos. Your English is absolutely fantastic, and you are a good speaker. I think so.
Thank you so much. I'm working hard for this language. That is the
Okay.
why.
I think you simultaneously you do training in online. Am I right?
Yeah. Simultaneously, I teach online and offline, or like offline as well. I teach. Means
Offline also.
offline, I teach in institute.
Okay. Are you from which state?
I'm from West Bengal.
Okay. Hometown?
My hometown is in village, and my district name is Jalpaiguri. And I belong to Duars. It is called tea garden area.
Okay.
It is known for tea
You
garden.
you are on which city near to village you are
Mhm.
some cosmopolitan or metropolitan cities. Some the cities are there in
Yeah.
West Bengal. Kharagpur, I think so. Yeah.
Kolkata is quite far away from my place. It takes one day. And if I talk about our city near to my village, that is Siliguri. Siliguri is our city.
Okay. Okay. Are you visited any time? Southern means Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu.
Never, never, never. I never visited yet. But this is my dream. Actually, I really want to visit southern part. I want to explore because I love to travel. So I want to explore. And
Okay.
yeah, this is
What
my
is your
dream.
favorite to visit?
Yes.
What is what is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit. I feel that traveling is just like hobby for me, and I enjoy most because most of the time I work and I teach people on online and I make videos on online and studying on online. So I need that traveling thing or hobby in my life to explore any places, not particular place that I like. It can be religious places, it can be hilly areas, it can be actually mostly I like to go nature, near to nature, mountains, hilly areas, and religious places, temples. I really enjoy, and also cities
Yeah, yeah. You visited your state famous hill station, Darjeeling,
in my area.
in your state only, West Bengal, I think so. Darjeeling.
Mhm.
Are you visited?
So, what did you ask? I didn't catch your question.
Darjeeling. The place is
Okay,
situated in West
Darjeeling.
Bengal only. Yeah.
Yeah, Darjeeling. I have not been there because actually, oh, I haven't visited yet, and I haven't been there. Actually, it's really near to me, and where I studied my college life, that is Siliguri city, so that is close to Darjeeling. But I haven't been yet. Actually, I didn't travel that much.
Okay. Okay. You want
What do
about
you
my
like, and yeah, what do you like, and what is the purpose of starting YouTube channel? That you said me that you started YouTube channel, and you are a working person, but you started learning English, and then you want to inspire people, as you mentioned. So, can you tell me
yeah
about some your inspiration or your journey, and then your motivation to start all these things?
yeah because of the English is a global language. All are familiar to know that English is a very important language. This plays a prominent role to present contemporary to existence the life to
Yeah.
survival. So that's why I everybody want to speak and learning and listening. Especially speaking give you a more consistent to develop communication and fluency. That's
Mm.
where I have been inspired from YouTubers above intermediate level advanced speakers in our YouTube channels, Rajni, Ramsa, Rashtosh, Gayatri, and
Mm.
also you. That's only.
Okay, that's great. So you are learning from conversational videos.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Did you connect with anybody, or this is your first conversation?
So this is fifth conversation.
Okay, so you have completed already fifth. Now you are doing fifth conversation right now.
Yeah, this is only fifth conversation with me.
Okay, so you as you mentioned that you completed only 2 months and you started speaking. You connected with many people, as you mentioned that five. This is your five conversation. So
Yeah.
how did you do that, and how did you learn within 2 months?
Sweta, since from my childhood, my studies are in my own English only, not my
Okay.
mother tongue. But lack of speaking,
Mm.
listening had a habit to me from my childhood. But speaking is not included in my lifestyle. That's why I
Mm.
want to is to speaking more to strangers, and I sometimes I speak to myself to practice. That's why.
Mm. So for the speaking, what are the things you did, or how much hard work you put to speak, or in order to improve your communication?
Yeah, some efforts are compulsory. Any mistake, I say I when I watching the videos, conversation videos, I observed the experts, some beginners, where what they tell about the past and the present and the future. Some lines I observed and I noted some in my book. I noted
Mm.
because that's so important to reduce my mistakes. Generally we have to some mistakes when our conversation to anybody.
Mm.
Day by day conversations we get proficiency and we want then reduce our mistakes. But without mistakes, there is no conversation between any of them. I think so.
Yeah,
It's a
you are
natural
right.
thing it's natural thing to everybody.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you are right. Okay. So nowadays you started speaking with people. Earlier, did you speak with anybody, or were you able to get chance to speak with people in person? Talking on offline with people because you studied in English medium. So did you get chance to speak with people in person earlier?
Yeah, in my lifestyle offline, some persons are. I was conversation with them, but
Okay, in English.
it's only little bit only. It's a little bit only
Okay.
small interval of time only. It's not
Yeah.
rapidly. I do not have experience to conversations with them.
Hmm. So during your school time, didn't you speak because as you belong to English medium, so didn't you get chance to speak with the students and teachers?
No, no, our school teachers were encouraged to communicate in English only. But on students' life, we do not have clear awareness about that. That's enjoyment time. We do not give much importance to that.
Okay,
That's
yeah.
why.
Yeah, many people they don't follow during their school time, but ultimately after completing their school and when they want to crack interview, when they want to do any job or higher studies, that time they realize how much it is important to learn, right?
In our India, I think so. Some schools are mandated to communicate in English from primary, elementary levels. But some
Yeah,
schools they do not bother and they do not give mandate to communicate in English. I think so.
yeah, you are right. So do you watch any kind of movies to learn the language?
No, I not watch any movies in English. I could not interest.
You're not interested to watch movies. You just watch conversational videos to improve your English, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm. Any question do you
Are
have?
Are you interested
Ask.
watching the English?
Yes,
Are you interested watching the English movies?
I'm interested to watch English movies, but to be honest, I don't watch. Okay. Sometimes I watch for my subject. I have a subject English literature, so fictional movies I watch sometimes for understanding the concept. Other than I didn't watch yet. I watch only Bollywood movies, and that is also not that much. Actually, I don't get chance to watch, but I love to watch movies as well.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
Sweta, for giving me the opportunity to conversation with you.
thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, and this is all about for today's session. Thank you so much for connecting me. It was nice session. Thank you.
Thank you.